Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix download error on the MetaTrader 5 application. So let's get started right away. If you're trying to download or update the MetaTrader application, but when you tap on the install or the update button, you get an error telling you that there is a download error for the app, then there are a few ways that you can go to fix this issue. First of all, make sure that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or data connection on your device. If you are connected and your internet connection is working smoothly, then go to the next step, which if you are facing this error in case of update, then you will need to clear your cache for the MetaTrader 5 application. Long press on the MetaTrader 5 app and tap on the info button. Now from the info page, tap on force stop at the bottom right to stop the app, and then scroll down and tap on storage. From the storage menu, if you see clear cache that can be clicked, then tap on it. Otherwise, tap on clear data and tap on the delete button to delete all of your user data for the application. After doing this step, go ahead and check if you can update or install. Go ahead and check if you can install the update. If this still doesn't work, then go on to the next step, which is the second step to take if you are installing MetaTrader 5 and receiving this download error. If you still aren't able to install MetaTrader 5 or update it, then long press on the Play Store application as well, and then tap on the info button. From the bottom right corner, tap on force stop to stop the application first, and then tap on storage. From the storage menu, tap on clear cache for Google Play Store to clear all of the cache for Google Play. Then tap on clear data at the bottom left corner if you need to. After doing this step, the installation of the MetaTrader 5 application and the download should work smoothly. If this still doesn't work, then you can try going to the application page and then tapping on App Support. There you will find the email address for support. You can simply use this email address to contact the MetaTrader 5 support team with your issue. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to fix download error on the MetaTrader 5 app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.